Hi, I'm Natalia. I'm a real estate attorney here in the state of Florida, and today I'm going to talk to you about land trust. The three benefits that I think every investor should know about a land trust. So, land trusts are creatures of statute. They get created in the state of Florida by Chapter 689 of the Florida Statutes, and that chapter tells you what language you need to have in your deeds to create your land trust. So, that's number one step. So the first thing that you should know about a land trust and its benefit is the fact that it creates this confidentiality factor. Whoever you put on as the person who's the trustee signing the paperwork, the trustee receiving title on behalf of the land trust, doesn't necessarily, and it could be a completely different person than the entities that are the beneficial interest holders, the beneficiaries of the land trust. And because the beneficiaries of the land trust are like the real investors behind the scenes, the ones providing the money, etc., that document maintains their privacy because land trusts don't get recorded, so nobody has any access, and it's great for those who want to act under confidentiality. Two, the second greatest thing about this is that there's this protection as to bankruptcy and as to liens. So if you are a beneficial interest holder and you have a couple liens out there attaching to other properties, if you are the beneficial interest holder under a land trust, nobody knows who you are, something gets recorded in the official records, it's not going to affect the particular property that you've acquired via the land trust because the title holder, the legal title holder, is the trustee. It's not you, doesn't attach. Same thing in bankruptcy. So in bankruptcy, the beneficiary, let's say the beneficiary has to file for bankruptcy, does not affect the ability to sell, convey, dispose of that particular property because, again, the legal title holder is the trustee. So you can continue to direct the trustee to sell it, lease it, etc., whatever you need to do, while your other assets, your other personal assets, are actually being kept up in the bankruptcy. And number three, the assignment of a beneficial interest is a great way to save on double closings. So if you're a wholesaler, you usually take a piece of property and you try to assign the contract, and then sometimes, depending on the title company, you'll have to do an assignment or a double closing. But if you are the beneficial interest holder in a land trust, you don't have to change title to transfer it over to a new investor or to the end investor. All you have to do is assign your beneficial interest in the land trust to that investor, and that doesn't require a closing, a changing of deed, or anything like that. And then in the future, as part of the assignment, you all can agree as to who the new trustee is going to be on behalf of your end buyer. So those are the three things that I wanted you to know about land trusts and take into consideration when your next investment project comes up. Good luck out there.